Alright, so here's a life hack for anyone trying to get to 10K per month, and it's to put your phone on black and white mode. And what you can do is you can set up a shortcut to where you just click the power button 3 times, and what that'll do is that'll turn your phone on black and white mode. And here's why black and white mode is so important. So the first reason you want to put your phone on black and white is you're going to notice right away is you stop opening apps as much as you used to before. And the reason for this is because colors are basically like traps and they pull you in. So that's why you use things like highlighters, for example. And if you look at the Snapchat logo or the Instagram logo or any logo for any app that wants to take your attention, like YouTube or anything, it's always in a color that gets your attention. So Snapchat, bright yellow. Instagram, it's like a weird gradient, like rainbow thing. Even YouTube, it's red. So when you see it, it grabs your attention. So these apps are created by multi-billion-dollar corporations. And if you don't think they study the psychology of colors when they're making their logos, you're being fooled. As soon as you turn your phone on black and white, you're gonna notice this immediate change of it. You would instantly stop opening apps so much, just subconsciously, because you're being attracted to them due to the color. So that's immediate XP points you get just by putting your phone on black and white. Another benefit of not being pulled in by the color of the apps is it's gonna break these vicious doom scroll cycles that you get into, and those end up taking away like half a day. You can end up getting into a doom scroll and waste like 3-4 hours, and from that you're in a low vibrational state, so you can't even do anything else positive to even work, or because your mind is just in a state of being entertained now and it wants more entertainment. It fries your dopamine. You can't, if you try to spend 4 hours on TikTok and then read a book after, it's almost impossible. It's like eating fried chicken all day and then trying to eat a salad. Okay, so let's say now you're on black and white and you are scrolling Instagram, or you're just watching a stupid like Mr. Beast video on YouTube or something. Because it's on black and white, shitty content is gonna stand out right away. So because your brain isn't getting all the dopamine from all the edits and all the colors, it's looking at the quality of the information now when you're consuming content. And if it's just some bullshit Mr. Beast type stuff, your brain's immediately gonna say, okay, well there's no entertainment benefit to this, because your brain's not gonna get any dopamine from it, and there's no educational benefit from this because you're not growing by watching this. So your brain immediately is gonna be turned off and you're gonna become bored by watching shitty content. So shitty content will immediately stand out, and anything that's designed to actually take away your attention instead of grow you as a person will become clear to you. So your overall phone just becomes boring when you put it on black and white. And you might think that's a bad thing because you're gonna experience boredom. But boredom is actually the greatest source of all creation in life, because you only come up with new plans and try new things when you're bored, because you're literally bored and there's nothing else to do. So having the phone is almost like a drug where every time you're bored, you can get instant relief without even doing anything hard. Overall, as a result of using your phone less, watching less shitty content, you're gonna have more time, and time is money. And since now you're actually building your dopamine systems back up and you're not frying them, you're gonna be able to do things like read, watch a course, work out, and you're actually gonna get more enjoyment from that than you would have watching a shitty YouTube video. Use this simple hack to reclaim your time, and this will help you on your path of getting to 10K per month, as you'll have more time. More time means you can take more action. Here's the actual instructions of how to turn your phone on black and white, and also set up a shortcut. So every time, all you have to do is just press 1, 2, 3 on your phone, and it turns black and white here. So you can see my wallpaper, 1, 2, 3. Then we get color again, and then 1, 2, 3. It goes back to black and white. So here are the instructions on how to do that.
Alright, this is how you actually turn your screen black and white. Go to settings, go to search up color, go to where it says color filters, go to color filters, turn that on, and select grayscale. Now your screen is black and white.